The message of the confirming guest by Ma'am Beatrice V. Campion, Principal 1.
To each and everyone, good afternoon. Yeah, congratulations, Quezon Integrated School, because we have a very good weather today. Na? So blessed kayo. So that deserves a big round of applause, everyone. Kaya wala din tagil na. So congratulations. It's a big sign. Okay? So to our esteemed guests, to the VIP in our presidential table, the people from the BLGU, headed by Capitan Diaz and represented by the Pagawads here, to the SPTA President and to my colleague, Sir Arnold, to the very active Principal 1 of Quezon IS, Ma'am Liza T. Bandola, and also to the ever-dynamic and competitive teachers and non-teaching staff of Quezon Integrated School, to the proud parents, graduates, and guests and spectators, good afternoon once again. Let me share to you the message of our school's Division Superintendent, Dr. Lorenzo O. Macasocol. So, I am going to read it in tutu. So, my heartfelt congratulations to all the graduates and completers of school year 2024-2025. Today, we celebrate not just a milestone, but the triumph of your perseverance, sacrifices, and determination. Through all the challenges, academic struggles, personal battles, and even the uncertainties brought by the times, you never give up. Instead, you prove that with a heart full of dreams and courage, no obstacle is too great to overcome. This year's theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas, reminds us that no dream is achieved alone. Our strength as a nation lies in our unity, our ability to uplift one another, to nurture minds and hearts, and to build a future where no learner is left behind. Dear learners, you are the new faces of hope, equipped with the skills, values, and resilience to create a future that is innovative, inclusive, and transformative. However, remember that this is just the beginning. The world beyond these walls, beyond these halls, will test you, challenge you, and push you beyond your limits. But always remember, wherever life takes you, remain madayaw in all that you do. Be madayaw in character. Uphold honesty, kindness, and respect. Be madayaw in purpose. Pursue your dreams with passion and excellence. Be madayaw in service. Give back. Do not forget Quezon IS. Uplift others and be a beacon of hope. Your future is bright and your potential is limitless. Walk forward with courage, with faith in yourself, and with sense of purpose. To our dear teachers over there, you are the architects of hope, shaping the dreams of every student who walks into your classroom. Your patience, passion, and commitment to molding the next generation do not go unnoticed. To the parents and guardians, your unwavering support, sacrifices, and guidance have been instrumental in this achievement. You have walked alongside your children, providing encouragement to overcome challenges. This moment is as much yours as it's theirs. Congratulations. To our esteemed stakeholders and partners, over here, our BLGU, LGU, and SPDA, our external stakeholders, your generosity and commitment to education have helped shape a learning environment where our children can thrive. Your support strengthens our schools, empowers our teachers, and opens more doors of opportunity. Once again, congratulations, be proud of your achievement, and continue to be a beacon of change. Good afternoon.